Hello, grade 6. Today we are going to complete chapter 9. We're going to talk about equations and tables. Here on page 497, it says that we can translate between equations and tables. How is that? Let's see here. We said before that the equation describes the relationship between two quantities, okay? The variable x often represents the input or the independent variable. X is usually the independent variable. It is the input. And y is often represents the dependent variable. It is the output, okay? The value of the independent variable is called what? Input, as we said in our previous video. And the value of dependent variable is called what? The output value. So if you see this here, box, it has the relationship or the equation y equals x plus 3. So x is my independent variable. Nothing controls it. It's not changed by anything. But y is controlled by x. Y is controlled by what? X. Okay? So if x equals 2, y will equal what? We're going to substitute in this equation. Y equals, remove the x and put what? 2 plus 3, this constant here, this is called the constant if you remember. So the output equals what? 5. Okay? What if x equals 4? Let's substitute in our this relation or this equation. Y, remove the x and put what? 4 plus what? 3, the same constant. The output is what? 7. So it changed. So here x is constant, it didn't change, okay? Y equals 5. When x changed to 4, y has another value, it's 7. So y is controlled by what? The value of x. Y changes when we change x. Okay? Look here at page 499. This is very nice. Use an equation to complete the table. Use the equation to complete the table. We're going only to plug in or substitute, remove the x and put the values that he gave us. Okay? He already gave you the relation or the rule or the equation. Relation or rule or the equation. So when x equals 6, what is the value of y? We're going to remove x and put what? 6. 6 plus 3 equals what? 9. What about when x equals 8? Remove the value, remove the letter x and put what? 8. 8 plus 3 equals what? 11. Okay, what about the last value? Again, remove the x and put what? 10 plus 3 equals what? 13. So the output changes according to the value of x. Y is the output or the dependent variable. X is the input or the independent variable. Here he gave you also the equation. Okay? And he wants to find the value of y for these values. So here, y equals 2 times what? 4 plus 1. Order of operation, we finish the multiplication first. So here we have 2 times 4 equals 8 plus 1 equals what? 9. So y equals 9. when x equals 7, what is the value of y? Let's see. 2 times 7 plus 1. Order of operation again. So here I have 14 plus 1. So the value of y is what? 15. Okay, when x equals 10, so y equals 2 times 10 plus 1. What's 2 times 10? 20 plus 1. So the value of y equals what? 21. Okay, I believe this is very easy. You're only plugging in or substituting for x and finding the value of y. Now here on the same page, we have write an equation for the relationship shown in the table, then find the unknown value in the table. So here actually he didn't give me the equation or the rule or the what relationship, the equation or the rule or the relationship. We don't know it. We have to figure out. Okay, x, when x equals 8y, the output is 16. Okay, I still don't know how did this happen. Look again. When x equals 9, the value is 18. Okay, I think maybe he's using multiplication. Did you figure out the relation between the two numbers? This one is not given. Let's go to the last one. X equals 11 and y equals 22. So I believe he's doubling or he's multiplying x by 2. So the relation here, you have to find it by yourself. Y equals 2 times x. Let's check. Remove x and put 8. 2 times 8 equals what? 16. Yes. Let's check the other one. 9 times 2 equals 18. So again, it's correct. 11 times 2 is 22. So this is the correct relation between x and y. Okay. Can you find the value of y here? Yes. Multiply 2 times 10. So the value here is what? The missing value here is what? Is 20. Okay, look at this table here. He didn't give us the equation. We have to figure it out. Okay, when x equals 10, y is 5. What do you think happened to x? Is it increasing or decreasing? It's decreasing. So what do you think? Did he use division or subtraction? Let's go to the next one so maybe we can figure out what happened. When x equals 20, y equals 10. When x equals 30, y equals 15. So I think what's happening here is that I am dividing x by 2. Here I was multiplying. Here the numbers were increasing. Here it's decreasing. It's getting less. So let's see if I write the equation. Y equals x divided by 2. Let's check. 10 divided by 2, yes, equals 5. 20 divided by 2, yes, again, the answer is 10. 30 divided by 2 equals what? 15, correct. So what about 40? 40 divided by 2 equals what? Equals 20. So the missing number here is 20. I think this lesson is a piece of cake and very, very easy. Thank you guys. Your homework will be page 501 from 1 to 5. It's very similar to what we already solved. Thank you. Goodbye.